Some meals carry more than flavor. They carry memories, struggles, and story untold. I remember the night I stood in my kitchen with nothing but leftover rice and craving for something warm. The fridge offered me some shrimp and leftover rice. Let's begin. I cleaned the shrimp and gave it a flavor. Add my soy sauce, salt, and black pepper. Stir it gently because in life and food, a little patience go a long way. In another bowl, I mix soy sauce, oyster sauce, white pepper, sesame oil, stir fry oil, salt, bouillon powder, sugar. Stir together because this is the foundation of both savory and intentional. Next, I reach for my eggs, break them into a separate plate, and beat them thoroughly until it's well combined. Add my oil into my pan. Next, my garlic, shallot, onion, and add in some green onion. The aroma filled the room and suddenly the silence feel warmer. I set it aside like we sometimes do with the good things in life, waiting for the right time. A little drop of oil into a pan. Now is my seasoned shrimp. Cook side by side until it's 50% done. Next is my egg, fried until fluffy and golden. A reminder that even small wins matter. Sometimes it is the little victory that keep us going. Now is a mixed veggies, pea, carrot, green bee, and sweet corn. Stir into a pan with stir-fried aromatic. It chows in the pan, yet harmony in color. Just like life, messy, unpredictable, yet beautiful when it all comes together. I added the fluffy eggs, folded in love and effort. Now the rice, leftover, cold, forgotten. But in the pan, it transforms. I stir in the sauce and let every grain absorb the story. At this point, I lower my heat and stir my rice thoroughly until all were combined. Now comes in my mixed sauce and spice. For the final toast, the seasoning sand, the substitute steam. I place it carefully, a bowl of colors, flavor and story. This kind of meal that makes you pause and smile. And lastly, the shrimp, golden and proud. This dish is no longer just food. It's alien. This was more than egg fried rice. It was a journey from empty to enough. If this dish made you feel something, subscribe for more soul told recipe. Don't forget to turn on the bell so you never miss a flavor or a story. And in the comment, tell me, what is the one meal that got you through a hard day? Let's cook, share, and eat together. Thank you for watching. Love you and see you next time. Bye.